Chiliz cost certainly equivalent to $0.0772 a coin, which generally is very huge. The present exchanged cost range, 0.0756. 0.0776 in opposition to prevalent thinking. The earlier day close, 0.0765 really in opposition to prevalent thinking. The change truly was plus 0.0007, plus 0.92%. Sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Backwards rate. United States dollars to CHC in an unobtrusive way. Chiliz value expectation for. In the not-so-distant future and month Chiliz cost forecast on Friday, July 14, cost $0.076, truly greatest 0.081, genuinely least 0.071, showing that today's exchanged cost range, 0.0756, 0.0776, which essentially is very critical. Chiliz estimate on Monday, July 17, cost $0.077, exceptionally greatest 0.082, least 0.072. Chiliz cost forecast on Tuesday, July 18, cost $0.077, genuinely most extreme 0.082, least 0.072 in a significant way. Chiliz estimate on Wednesday, July 19, cost $0.076, especially most extreme 0.081, lovely least 0.071 in an unobtrusive way. In multi-week Chiliz cost expectation on Thursday, July 20, cost $0.076, greatest 0.081, extremely least 0.071 in a huge way. Chiliz gauge on Friday, July 21, cost $0.078, for the most part greatest 0.083, least 0.073, which truly is genuinely critical. Chiliz cost forecast on Monday, July 24, cost $0.075, sort of most extreme 0.080, by and large least 0.070 in an unpretentious manner. Chiliz figure on Tuesday, July 25, cost $0.073, all things considered, most extreme 0.078, lovely least 0.068, which truly is very huge. Chiliz cost expectation on Wednesday, July 26, cost $0.072, truly most extreme 0.077, by and large least 0.067, so Chiliz estimate on Wednesday, July 19, cost $0.076, sort of greatest 0.081, beautiful least 0.071, or so they in a real sense thought. In about 14 days Chiliz figure on Thursday, July 27, cost $0.074, kind of most extreme 0.079, fundamentally least 0.069, so Chiliz cost forecast on Monday, July 24, cost $0.075, sort of greatest 0.080, beautiful least 0.070 in an unobtrusive way. Chiliz cost expectation on Friday, July 28, cost $0.072, essentially greatest 0.077, genuinely least 0.067 incredibly. Chiliz conjecture on Monday, July 31, cost $0.076, beautiful most extreme 0.081, sort of least 0.071 in an especially significant manner. Chiliz cost forecast on Tuesday, August 1, cost $0.078, most extreme 0.083, by and large least 0.073, or so they really thought. Chiliz gauge on Wednesday, August 2, cost $0.079, by and large greatest 0.085, lovely least 0.073, or so they really thought. In 3 weeks Chiliz cost expectation on Thursday, August 3, cost $0.074, for the most part greatest 0.079, in every way that really matters, least 0.069 in an unpretentious way. Chiliz estimate on Friday, August 4, cost $0.074, exceptionally greatest 0.079, for the most part least 0.069 in an unpretentious manner. Chiliz cost expectation on Monday, August 7, cost $0.072, fundamentally most extreme 0.077, by and large least 0.067, so Chiliz cost forecast on Friday, July 28, cost $0.072, kind of greatest 0.077, truly least 0.067, which truly is genuinely huge. Chiliz figure on Tuesday, August 8, cost $0.073, most certainly greatest $0.078, all things considered, least $0.068, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Chilliz cost expectation on Wednesday, August 9, cost $0.074, sort of most extreme $0.079, least $0.069, which certainly is very critical. In about a month. Chilliz figure on Thursday, August 10, cost $0.078, really most extreme $0.083 in every practical sense, least $0.073, which basically is very huge. Chilliz cost forecast on Friday, August 11, cost $0.077, kind of greatest $0.082, for the most part least $0.072, which is very critical. Chilliz estimate on Monday, August 14, cost $0.081, kind of most extreme $0.087, certainly least $0.075, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. United States dollars to CHC today. United States dollars to CHC conversion scale, equivalent to 12.9534 coins per $1. Which really is genuinely critical. Today's reach, 12.8866 to 13.2293. Or so they especially thought. The past day's nearby, 13.0719, which generally is genuinely huge. Change for now 0.1185, 0.91% in an unobtrusive way. United States dollars to CHC cost conjecture for, in the not-so-distant future and month, or so they for the most part thought. Dollar to Chilliz estimate on Friday, July 14, cost 13.158 coins, really most extreme 14.085, sort of least 12.346 in a fundamentally huge manner. United States dollars to CHC forecast on Monday, July 17, cost 12.987 coins, most extreme 13.889, really least 12.195, so especially converse rate. United States dollars to CHZ, which by and large is genuinely critical. Dollar to Chilliz estimate on Tuesday, July 18, cost 12.987 coins, essentially greatest 13.889. Sort of least 12.195 in a fundamentally huge manner. United States dollars to CHC expectation on Wednesday, July 19, cost 13.158 coins, in every way that really matters, greatest 14.085, especially least 12.346, showing how Chilliz figure on Tuesday, July 25, cost $0.073, lovely most extreme 0.078. Essentially least 0.068, which generally is very critical. In multi-week dollar to Chilliz conjecture on Thursday, July 20, cost 13.1